Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Friday, January 21st, 2015. Keep in mind that this is going to be the last day of the month and implications that has as well. We have a pretty robust session today, bouncing back from the previous day's losses. We're definitely stacking up here on the buy side from the post market stuff. And in the regular session, you see the CPS to the upside here. We saw earnings from Amazon and also Biogen, BIIB, and they're both gapping up pretty strongly to the upside here. So definitely keep those names in mind for the coming session. Qualcomm had a lot of volume, didn't quite fill the gap today, so definitely keep that on the list as well. That stock does trade pretty well and is pretty rangy as well. Financials definitely stacked with upside CPS conditions here. Be sure to monitor the ones with volume and also the VWAP deviations. Energy names were again pretty sloppy after turning down the previous session. You can see we've got a fair amount of CPSs. We have one in Chevron, PBR, and also one in ExxonMobil. And for the folks that like to play the ETFs, you take a look at the ERX, which tracks the big multinationals in a leverage form, and that can be a good intraday trader as well. As far as the market generals go, you can see the absence of sell signals here. We definitely have some upside CPSs. A couple of volume bumps here. IBM bumping higher here. VMware has an upside CPS as well after getting bombed after their initial earnings report, but starting to kind of circle wagons here. I think that's the theme here for a lot of the stocks that were at range low coming out with earnings, is that have the chance here to dip a little bit higher and provide some trading opportunities with them lifting off of their oversold conditions. Housing stocks were pretty robust today. Look at closed deviations here on a number of them. DHI, NVR, and Toll Brothers, Home Depot, and Lowe's both have upside CPSs for tomorrow. Transports were actually also fairly strong, and they're kind of the anti-energy trade. A couple of upside CPSs, but nothing really sticking out with too much volume other than American Airlines just missed qualifying for an upside CPS. And lastly, onto the commodities. Still kind of in motion here. We had gold turning down again today. So we had 2 days down. Newmont's got a downside CPS, so that could be worth tracking. And Alcoa AA, certainly not a precious metal stock, but does have an upside CPS condition. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.